Hi, I'm Kania. Welcome to my channel. It is time for my IPSY unboxing for November. Hopefully third time's a charm. I'm trying to record this video. I just went and deleted a bunch of pictures and videos that were old. So let's try and get through this box. The first thing in the box is the African Botanics Baobab, I don't know how to say it, Baobab Clay Oxygenating Cleanser. 3.4 ounces. It did not rate well on Yuka. It is TSA friendly, and it retails for $70. Sorry, I was not prepared for that. Okay, clearly. The next thing in the bag is the Neen Glisten Up Creamy Lip Gloss. The color is Bye, like bye-bye. It's super pretty. Gold and pink sparkles. It's really pretty. Please don't mind my nails. I know they need to be done. The next thing in the box also did not rate well on Yuka. Actually, no, this was unknown because it didn't have it. The next thing is the Seraphine Botanics Tea and Rose Streak-Free Satin Blush. The color on this, which I don't think I ever said, is pomegranate. I say ever because it's my third time filming. It is texturized. It's really pretty. That's a nice peachy pink, which I love. This rated well on Yuka. It is cruelty-free and vegan. The next thing is the Totemika Antioxidant Serum, step 3 in your system, cleansing system, with vitamin C, cacao extract, licorice extract, and green tea. It is in a dropper, and I know I'm going fast because I'm not sure what's going on with my storage. I'm trying to clear it up. Everything's on Google, but anyway, that's the bottle. It's in an opaque, and it is a serum. It's nice and thick. Oh, these nails. Whew, I'm sure I'm more distracted by them than you are, but probably not because they look so bad. I'll be going tomorrow, or later today, because don't even worry about it what time it is. Last thing in the bag. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the fifth thing. And again, this is my third time recording this video, so I'm going pretty quick. This I do not remember. I don't think it rated well on Yuka, but I don't recall. And I'm almost afraid to look it up because every time I open the Yuka app, it's like my system shuts down. Did I even scan it? Oh, I didn't even, oh wait, yes I did. It was excellent. The blush was an 86. So this is actually so far the only thing that rated well. And the last thing was these brushes. Comes in a case. I had already taken all the plastic off. Excuse me. They're pink. They're not labeled as to how you use them. They are very soft though. They're not labeled as to how you use them. They are labeled as face brushes, but typically I just use them for whatever I want to use them for. Even if they are labeled a certain thing, if I feel like they fit a different a different use better, then I use it for that. This is probably good for highlight right here. I don't know what the brush is called or what it's for because it doesn't really describe them, but this is a domed brush that would probably be good for setting powder under the eye. This is a stippling brush, usually for like foundation-y type things. And this angled brush is probably good for blush. They come with a carrying case. I could probably get more brushes in this carrying case. Super cute. This is actually, you know what, thinking about it, this is actually a good kit to keep at work for emergency makeup, touch-ups and stuff, because I do have emergency makeup at work. So that might go to work. And it's pink, so can't complain. Okay, going through the prices. The only thing that rated well was the blush. We already know that the cleanser retails at this size for $70. I'm going to start at the top. The blush for Seraphine Botanicals retails for $32. We're already over $100. I cannot believe it. The lip gloss retails for $27. The serum retails for $20. How does the serum retail for less than the cleanser? That's unusual. But I like it. Totemika Beauty, I like your reasonable prices. African Botanicals, $70. And the brush set retails from Iconic London. I don't think I gave you the name. Iconic London for $40. The most expensive thing is this bottle of cleanser. Everything is full size, by the way. Yeah. I'm shocked. Oh, this is cute. So, the theme was Paint This Season Bright. I just happened to notice this bag here. I actually have that bag still, and I use it to put in my purses for, containing stuff. I don't have it in this particular purse because I'm using a different bag, but I do still have that bag, and it is very useful. All right, that's it for today. I'm going to go ahead and end this because I don't want it to run out again. I'm so tired of taping this. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day. I'm going to go do some sketching while I watch Love Island again for the second time, and drink some more water. Y'all have a wonderful day. Enjoy. Be kind. That is the theme of life. Be kind to people, whether online or in person. No one deserves the hate that other people give. All right? Peace.